Microsoft may not officially launch Windows 11 version 25H2 for a few more weeks, but guess what? You can get early access right now through the Windows Insider program. If you're eager to experience the latest update before the rest of the world, this guide walks you through every step. Magnifying glass tilted left. What's the deal with Windows 11 version 25H2? The upcoming Windows 11 25H2 update is already available as a preview via the Release Preview channel. If your device is running version 24H2, you're good to go. If you're still on 23H2, you'll need to upgrade to 24H2 first before jumping to 25H2. Warning: important note, this update is still in testing. You may encounter bugs or performance issues. Always back up your system and, if possible, use a secondary device, not your main PC. Hammer and wrench step by step. How to install Windows 11 version 25H2 early. White heavy checkmark. Step 1. Enroll your PC in the Windows Insider program. To access version 25H2, you'll need to enroll your device in the Release Preview channel. Here's how. Open Settings. Go to Windows Update. Click Windows Insider program. Hit Get Started. Click Link an account and sign in with your Microsoft account. Choose Release Preview channel. Accept the terms and click Continue. Restart your PC. Once restarted, your device is officially part of the Insider program and ready for the upgrade. Inbox tray. Step 2. Install Windows 11 version 25H2. Now that your device is enrolled, it's time to install the update. Open Settings. Go to Windows Update. Toggle on Get the latest updates as soon as they're available. Click Check for updates. Install any pending updates for version 24H2. Restart your PC. Go back to Windows Update. Click Download and install under version 25H2. Restart again to complete the upgrade. Lightbulb. Since this is an enablement package, the update is quick and doesn't require a full OS reinstall. To confirm the update, go to Settings System About. Look for version 25H2 under Windows Specifications. Counterclockwise arrows button. Step 3. Unenroll from the Insider program, optional but recommended. Once you've upgraded, you can opt out of the Insider program to continue receiving stable updates. Open Settings. Go to Windows Update. Click Windows Insider program. Select Stop Getting Preview Builds. Toggle on Unenroll this device when the next version of Windows releases. Your device will automatically switch to the stable channel once 25H2 is officially released, with no need to reinstall Windows. Brain final thoughts. Getting early access to Windows 11 version 25H2 is a great way to explore new features and stay ahead of the curve. Just remember, it's still in preview, so proceed with caution and always back up your data.